My name's Simon Bacon. I'm the SAP Operations Manager for QD Commercial Group Holdings Limited. QD is a discount retailing group covering a number of brands in the south of England and East Anglia. We are an omni-channel business and have quite a good web presence. We've been a member of the SAP user group for about 6 years now. We implemented SAP in May 2011, and we joined the user group because we felt that we needed to speak to like-minded people who had experienced an implementation of SAP and how they were going to roadmap and take their system forward. The benefits of being part of the SAP user group have far exceeded our expectations. We're expecting just to be able to talk to like-minded people who have experienced the same things as us. However, we found far more than that through education, collaboration, and sharing of ideas through training sessions, webinars, SIGs, and obviously the user group conference. Over the last 6 years, we have grown our own knowledge, so we are now almost self-dependent. That has come partly through the SAP user group, through access to the Learning Hub, through access to the SIGs, and gaining that extra knowledge that we really did need. Being able to develop our own in-house skills has greatly reduced the cost of improving SAP and developing it. Using the SAP Learning Hub, which the user group have got us a huge discount on, has been a great benefit to us. We can now work on a project, and before we start working on the project, use the Learning Hub to enhance our skills and learn before we start development. The user group introduced us to the Learning Hub. Personally, I hadn't heard of it before, but when we started looking at it, we realised it was what all SAP professionals use for their education. We saw it as an opportunity that just couldn't be turned down, and we're going to stick with it for good. The discount was something like 70% discount, which was, for a small business such as us, those discounts are, they're rare. They don't come along very often. A great example of how the Learning Hub has really helped to develop QD stores is we are currently working on a project for layout modules, quite a niche area of IS retail, and with very little information online to take us through the steps required to develop the solution. So I went on to the Learning Hub to learn about assortments and listings and layout management, and from that gave us the skills to go onto a dev system and build a successful model. We encourage for different people across our organisation to go to different SAP events, to webinars and SIGs, and obviously the user group conference, and not just in areas that are of importance to their subject and their skill set, but also to broaden their understanding of the SAP roadmap and how we can align our business plan with the SAP roadmap and select the right approach and strategy for us. Now that can only be done by everyone understanding what the art of the possible is, and events such as the user group conference really help to facilitate that. We bring people from all different aspects of our business to the user group events, not just the IT managers, but people throughout our business who have different interests, different skill sets, and different objectives and desires what they want to get out of SAP. And for us to develop SAP going forward and make sure that our roadmap is right for our business means we have to take into account everyone's desires and aspirations. The SAP User Group Conference is an outstanding event. Extremely well organised, everyone is so friendly, and for QD stores, when we were new to SAP, we were nervous that we didn't understand what people were talking about. We were made to feel very welcome and part of a family, and that feeling has not changed over the years. I come to the SAP User Group event so that I and my team can understand the SAP roadmap and the developments that SAP are intending to implement over the coming years. That's crucial for us as a business so that we can align our IT strategy with SAP's. I would recommend anyone interested in developing their knowledge and understanding of SAP and how it fits with their business to come to the SAP User Group Conference. It really is a great event. It's extremely well organised, it's great fun and hugely informative.